What's up, guys? It's about to be 9. We just got on the water. See if we catch the limit. The whole setup. Nice and chilly out here. So we're almost to the spot. Just a little bit back there, and then we can start fishing. Alright, we just got to the spot. It's gonna be spot number 1. This little hole right here. We got rigs right there. We're gonna hit up this spot right here, and then go to the spot in the back. Here you come. Little paddle tails. Alright, I found a piece of tilapia, or I found a whole tilapia on the way over here. So what I'm gonna do is I cut it as cut bait, and I'm gonna try to throw it here, see what we could catch. Maybe a gar or a catfish. Alright, I'm hooked up. Got it? Let's see. I don't want to pull it and then you let it go. Came off. See if he'll bite again. How many tacos have you ate? 2. 2? Yeah. That's my dad? I think you ate 2 tacos already too, right? Yeah. Almost took the rod in. I wonder what it is. Nothing. Like 4 bites. Look, there it goes again. There it goes. Got him. I think it's a catfish. Catfish? Yeah. Yep. Oh, it's a good one. Oh, I don't want to lose it because it's on a small hook. And I'm recording over here. Oh, yeah. Look it up. Damn. Oh. Damn, it's big. Let's go. Maybe there's more. Yep. With the tilapia. Oh, look at that. Dang, he's barely hooked on the lip. Look at that, barely hooked. Nice little chunk. Freaking put it like 5 times. This time it almost went into the water with my rod. Heck yeah. Girthy cat. Barely hooked. Look at this. Oh, it's hooked right in the meat. You hear it croaking? Let's go. Get some tilapia. Get some tilapia.
Where's it at?
It's by my kayak. Literally found some tilapia on the way over here dead. So I kept it just in case. And that's what I used right now. And this is what we got out. Like that belly. Sheesh. Oh, look at the scratches on that boy. Alright, I'm gonna get the rod back in there, see if there's more. I see some alligator guard coming up. That's what I thought it was at first. But turns out once it came up, I saw the gray, his belly came up, I knew it was a catfish. Alright, I'm gonna put it away, get the rod and bait back out there, and see if we catch some more. Same tilapia. Catfish was nice enough to give me my bait back. All you gotta do is just toss it out. Leave it there. Put on one of these sticks. Just like this. There you go. Hooked up to another catfish, right? Let's go. Oh, looks around the same size. Oh yeah, it's just like around the same size. Yeah, it's so slippery and muddy over here. Oh, that one has a big poncho too. Got him. Almost fell. On the same tilapia. We're headed back to the boat ramp. Then we're out of here.